a genie living inside your mind. You literally have a genie in your head. Cue Christina Aguilera. I am currently listening to the book Psycho-Cybernetics. It is free if you have Spotify Premium. Go and listen to it. A big portion of the book talks about how all living creatures have this mechanism in our brains that is literally designed to pursue our goals. For animals that aren't humans, the goal is purely survival and procreation. But for humans, we are able to diversify our goals. And so we have this mechanism in our brain that largely will pursue our goals for us on autopilot once we set the goal and then silence all of the noise that says we can't have it. Like, this mechanism in the brain is literally like a GPS. You set the destination, i.e. your goal, what you want to achieve, accomplish, experience, and it sets out giving you the directions on how to do that. Okay, I know what you're thinking. If we all have this mechanism in our brains that allows us to effortlessly pursue our goals, why aren't we all living our dreams? Valid question. Here's the thing. A couple of pieces have to be in place in order for this mechanism to actually work and work effectively and efficiently in getting us towards what we actually want to experience. One, we have to actually set the goal, which requires us knowing what we actually want. And so few humans actually know what they actually want because they're so busy pursuing what they've been told they should want instead. So if we're going with the GPS analogy, you haven't set the destination because you don't know where you want to go. So that's the first reason why this isn't working in everyone's favor. And the second thing, which really kind of ties into the first thing, is that all of us are just so busy in survival mode. And in order for this mechanism to work, we have to be able to calm the nervous system. The nervous system has to be nice and calm in order for us to access the desire and then receive the guidance that's going to allow us to get there. Now, there are a lot of other nuances that go into this. If you're interested, drop a comment and I would be happy to unpack this in a series or something like that. But the big takeaway from here is that pursuing your goals and achieving your dreams doesn't have to be as hard as it feels right now. It can be relatively effortless when we tap into the mechanisms that already exist inside of us that are literally built in to help us do that. We did not come here to suffer, and this is just further evidence of that. We came here to thrive, and it's time we remember the pieces of ourselves that are already inside of us that are going to allow us to do that.